Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. On my channel, I share cleaning motivation, seasonal decor, healthy, tasty, plant-based recipes, and workout motivation. Today's video is a favourite. I am de-Christmasing. We continued Christmas for longer this year with everything that's going on in the world. It just felt right. But today, I'm super excited to decorate for spring and Valentines. I'm a massive fan of pretty, and after doing a big shopping jumbo, that's Cyprus and Greece's bargain home and seasonal decor shop, I just love what I've bought to make our home pretty and cosy this spring. And I can't wait to show you in today's video. I need lists in my life. They're always handwritten. It's how I think, organise, plan, and get it all done. Lists are great for my mental health, as when I cross things off, I get a massive sense of achievement and accomplishment, that task is complete. I'm careful, however, not to make my list overly long, as then I stress out that I won't get much of the list done that day. So my tip is, don't make your list too long. Then you can achieve a good percentage of your list that day.
So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high.
With having 4 beautiful rescue dogs, I routinely change my throws on my 3 sofas every 2 weeks, or more frequently if we're having a rainy spell, as that means more muddy paws. And we've got 16 paws in this household. This was just the beginning of thinking about which cushions are going where. We've now ended up with 9 cushions on this sofa. Every 2 weeks I wash all the cushion covers, as the dogs love to snuggle in them. And all the Christmas covers needed washing and drying before packing away.
Jump into the car on a Friday night.
I find stacker tubs are great to keep my decorations together.
Looking for a bar in the nearest town.
I had to start my laundry very early this day. I had so many loads of washing to do, to clean and dry this day before the heavy rains arrived late afternoon for the next few days. So it all had to get done today, and I wanted to fit a workout in too. Berry porridge is one of our favourite breakfasts in winter. It's super tasty, healthy, filling and nutritious. It actually tastes like a dessert, like a berry crumble or pie. If you choose to serve it as a dessert sometime, be sure to let me know. For 2 people, add 150 millilitres of water and around 150 grams of your favourite mixed frozen berries. Heating your frozen berries through for a couple of minutes is a good idea to release their water content before adding your dry ingredients. Add 100 grams of oats, 2 tablespoons of pea protein, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a tablespoon of goji berries, and a dash of your favourite plant milk to get the consistency you desire. Turn the heat down to medium for a few minutes until you get the consistency you like. We like it quite solid. Serve in something pretty and add the toppings you like. I fancied chopped apple and cinnamon that day, with a little bit of honey on top, and my husband just wanted honey. We're plant-based, not vegan. Add maple syrup rather than honey if you're vegan. Back to the laundry. Cushion covers out, sofa throws in. We've got to get this done before the rain comes. I love this fabric conditioner called Kiss by Lenore. Time to keep on de-Christmasing. And a little cleaning. Your poinsettia. I haven't got the heart to throw mine away yet. I can't throw a plant away. And it's red for Valentine, so it'll stick around a little longer.
You just gotta make your mind up. Just give me a sign if you want a ride. They don't really want.
These little guys are adorable. I've got 2 of these little love gnomes. They are welcome here in my home all winter to fill up my home with their cuteness.
As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. Anywhere you want, and we don't need a drive.
If you're new here and you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to press the subscribe button for weekly tips, motivation, ideas and inspiration. I'd love you to join my growing supportive community. Thanks for being here.
And my heart is beating.
I like lights sat in my fireplace year round. Light always put a smile on my face and add to my happiness. And I just love these heart lights. that will fill my fireplace with love for the next couple of months. Aren't they adorable? Do you place lights in your home to make you or your family smile? Add it to the comment section below if you do. I'd love to know.
Will you run away?
We have 3 sofas in our main living area and we love it. It works perfectly for us. But it's not traditional. Do you have any strange furniture arrangements? Others question, but they work for you and you love it?
Feels like I'm dreaming.
I'm passionate about pretty and I really get pleasure from changing our decor for each new season. But I'm a very practical person too, so I like to change cushion covers, blankets, things we use rather than just decorations. A great value way to change your decor and give your room a whole new look is to buy new cushion covers. This is way cheaper than buying new cushions and it gives the same new beautiful visual effect.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here.
My oldest girl dog Jessie loves to wear clothes. You can see how smitten she is with her new Valentine's jumper. She loves it and she doesn't want to take it off.
Girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body.
I'm very happy now these cushion covers are out to dry. Soon I'll be able to fold and pack them away so they're fresh for next year. This will make me feel very calm when all the decor is clean and packed and organised back away in the cupboards. We were very fond of using a lot of red in our decor around Christmas and it really brought us a lot of joy. However, I chose to decorate everywhere in the house for spring and Valentine's in this gorgeous rose gold blush pink colour. It's nice to change things up. My husband loves it and the dogs love it too. Or perhaps they just love the super soft cushion covers. I threw a little purple in too. I felt the purple went really nice with this pink colour. I wanted new hand towels for my kitchen in this lovely pink colour, but they're all too large, so I carefully folded them in 3 and cut them with my sharp fabric scissors. If I had a sewing machine, sure, I'd have folded and a quick seam up the side, but I'm very happy. They look really neat. And if they look a tad rugged after they've been through the wash, I'll happily rock that look.
I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl.
I seriously adore how my kitchen looks now. I love walking into there and I feel really happy in there now with this new beautiful decor.
So tell me what you want me to do.
When we can't control what's happening in the world at the moment, our home is somewhere we can control. We can clean and we can decorate to make us and our families smile and bring us all happiness.
Hi lovelies! Today's workout is one of my very, very favourite workouts. It's so versatile. You can do it in your kitchen while something's cooking in the oven. You can do it behind the sofa when you're stood watching TV or watching your kids watching TV. It's great. You're going to need a dumbbell. That's ideal. I like a 3-kilogram dumbbell for this particular workout. It's going to work out your whole body. It's great for your core, your abs, your arms, your back, and your butt, even your legs. So, let's get working out.
Sure, it's sunny, but it was seriously cold. So this was a great warm-up. Jump and twist your hips from side to side as a great ab workout. Lovely for your waist. These twist extensions are great for your abs and arms. As a powerful move, thrust your weight high to the side while twisting. Make sure your leg twists on your mat too.
Stop pretending we are lonely.
Swap your weight to the other hand and do the same on the other side. I'm using a 3-kilogram dumbbell. If you're new to this, a 1-kilogram might be a better idea. You could also use a drinks bottle if you don't have a dumbbell. For this move, pretend you're chopping wood with an axe. Your dumbbell is your axe. Keep your core straight, tight and strong, and in a controlled manner, holding your abs tight, swing your dumbbell from above your right shoulder to just below your left hip. Repeat this movement on both sides. Side oblique crunches. Hold your dumbbell in one hand and your other hand near your head. Hold your tummy tight and slow and controlled bend to the side at your waist and back to standing again. Repeat this move 10 times. You will feel this in your abs tomorrow. Repeat on both sides. Tricep extensions are great for toning your arms and reducing bingo wings. Choose the correct weight dumbbell for you for this move. Hold the dumbbell in both hands behind your head and in a controlled manner, lower and raise the dumbbell. I thought it would be helpful to see this move from all angles. Finally, squat with dumbbell. Hold your dumbbell strong and your abs tight in. Bend at the knee to your squat, and when you come back up, be sure to squeeze your glutes and twist your hips forwards. Repeat this workout 3 to 5 more times. As you get stronger, in time you can increase the reps too. This is a really quick, nutritious, tasty, plant-based vegan lunch anyone can enjoy. Replace the tofu with chicken strips if you're not veggie. Make sure you squeeze the water out of your tofu. You can do this with a kitchen towel if you don't have a tofu press. If you don't have Maggi in your cupboard, you should really buy some, it's great. You could use soya sauce. If I could, I'd have used vegetarian oyster sauce, but I can't get it where I live. Cook your cauliflower and broccoli for around 4 minutes on medium heat and saute with garlic and ginger before you add the rest of your ingredients. Add garlic puree to your tofu. I add a drizzle of olive oil every now and again. You could always use vegetable broth. Once you've added your tofu, cook for another 3 minutes before adding the rest of your ingredients. To keep their texture, I advise you only cook your mushrooms for around 3 minutes.
Feel this way, don't know what you do.
Add your chopped garlic for the last few minutes.
You hold my hand, look me in the eyes.
Maggi seasoning is soya free and very, very tasty. If you have vegetarian oyster sauce in your cupboard, this would go very nice in the dish. Doesn't need it, but it'd be lovely with it too. Add your courgette, so it'll cook for around 2 minutes.
Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you.
The noodles I'm using will take around 2 minutes to cook as well.
I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be.
A few dashes more Maggi to add to the noodles.
Giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have.
Add your Chinese cabbage, or you could use pak choi, and cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute. These two vegetables should be served crisp.
It's enough for you if I'm.
And there you go, a quick, tasty, nutritious, plant-based vegan meal. You could garnish this with finely chopped spring onion if you fancy it. Nearly finished cleaning and decorating downstairs now. Have you decorated for spring or Valentines yet? If you have, what colour have you gone for? And what decorations have you put up so far? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to know how you've decorated your home for Valentine's, or what your plans are.
I swear that I'll stay.
I have more Valentine's decorations I want to add, but I must be patient because at the moment our home decor shops are currently closed. Hopefully they'll be open again in a few weeks.
With you.
As a speedy hack, and much less faffy than these little bits of silver string they decided to give me, I'm using cable ties. That's going to get my love heart on my tree really fast.
If you're giving me.
I keep cable ties of different sizes stocked in my cupboard at all times. They're very useful for homemaking, so often.
Promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm.
What do you think about my love tree? I personally adore it. Really fall in love with it. So does my husband. But it's the first time I've kept my tree up after Christmas. Actually, my husband's asked if we can keep the tree up year round and decorate it for each season and each holiday. Stay tuned this year and see what we decide.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all.
I feel very calm and relaxed, folding and organising my decorations. Is that just me, or does this task de-stress you too? It looks like Jessie loves these clean cushion covers as much as I do, or is she just trying to get back on camera to show off a nice Valentine's jumper? Finally, I've been looking forward to transforming this bedroom all day. My supervisor has turned up to give me a hand, or maybe a few paws. Boo Boo, that's my dog. We actually had great fun making the bed that night. It was a really good laugh. I swear he felt he was helping on each of the corners by putting the sheets in place with his paws. It's nice to have a laugh and enjoy doing the housework.
I've been on the ground, I've been hiding out while shouting out, you would open up, oh, spin me around and around.
I fell in love with this rose gold colour for Valentine's and spring, so the bedroom got the same colour scheme.
Spin me again and again till I'm
I took the cushions I had left on and off the bed for I don't know how long that night, rearranging them, adding them, taking them away. I decided in the end I'll pop to the homeware shops for some more suitable cushions to throw in the mix when they reopen again. Thank you for watching. I hope I've given you some ideas or motivation today so you can tackle your to-do list. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos. My next videos out are budget vegan plant-based batch cooking and freezing, bathroom cleaning motivation, vegan Valentine's recipes and ideas, and more workouts coming very soon. Bye lovelies!